So guys, this one is a beginner friendly tutorial. You can see which key I am pressing at the bottom left side and which version of Blender I am using at the bottom right side. Now we have the Blender default layout panel open, as you can see here. Suppose we accidentally closed it. So how to bring it back? It's really simple. Click on this plus icon, then go to general and from there select the layout. Now to add more window or viewport panel, move your cursor to the top left corner, left click hold, move your mouse to the right side, left click hold, down. Now we can assign different view to our character. So how to close the window? There are two ways to close the window. Suppose you want to close this window, left click, hold, drag down. See, it's closed. The second way, move your cursor to the ribbon, find the open place, right click, close area. It's really that simple. So guys, that's how easily we can add or remove window or viewport panel in Blender. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.